What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, guys. Happy 2024. Hope everybody had a safe and happy new year. I didn't get any calls to bail anybody out, so I think you guys are probably good. But that being said, we got a lot of work to do. I've actually got a lot of work done, so let's get you up to speed. All right, guys, so I gotta be honest, I've been a little busy. Actually, kind of a lot busy, and I'm just gonna go ahead and tell you it was nice to not worry about filming and just get the work done. And I got a lot of work done. It was actually pretty nice. We'll get back to all that later, but we got a whole bunch of new parts from LMR. We're gonna be building some door panels today, get those knocked out. Another piece to the puzzle. So big order from LMR came in. Very excited, guys. It's coming together, but this is what we got. So we got new window switch plates, new armrests. You guys can see we're using a lot of used parts, which these are fine, but you know how these armrests get. All the foam comes out of them, they fall apart. So we're gonna swap those out. Also got the speaker grills. I'm gonna take a little sidebar, guys. You need to buy these LMR speaker grills, and the reason I say that is, which this door panel actually isn't quite as bad, but you know, most of these, well, yeah, it is. You know, most of these door panels, the speaker grills are just kind of floppy. And yes, I know, just like you've tried to glue them back on and find some way to make them stick and look flat against the door panel, and it never works. That's why I love these. These actually have the little tits on the back, and they've got retaining clips to go over them, so they will fit tight against the door panel and look proper. So got a whole lot to do. Also, I'll show you in a minute, we've got the matte pocket deletes for the lower part of the door panel, and that's going to pretty much round that out. Guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and tell you, that looks amazing. Now these are the TMI matte pocket deletes from LMR. I'm sure you've seen them before, but so we got nice tight speaker grills, nice tight matte pocket deletes. Obviously I gotta wipe these things off, but and then we've already got new armrests on, new switch covers. God, I'm telling you, just a little bit of elbow grease and you can take an old 30-year-old door panel, make it look brand new. So once I got these on the car, I'm gonna go back in and clean them, because obviously I'm gonna be handling the hell out of them. But these things look brand new. I'm so freaking pumped. Alright guys, very freaking proud of the finished product. I still need to wipe them down, but I've got a little bit more to do on them. I've got to order new door cups. But man, I'm super happy how these came out. So recap, did the new map pocket deletes, replaced the armrest because they were a little wore out, new switch plates, and got the LMR speaker covers. So, but as you can see, everything is tight up against the door panel, which makes it look so much freaking better. That was a project. Saving grace, again, the LMR screw kit. Only way to fly. But I love it. And of course, my little plug hole popped out. But they look freaking amazing, guys. I'm super pumped to have them in there. So got those knocked out, and I just finished up doing the torque box delete, or torque box reinforcements. Got those in. I didn't film any of that because obviously there's a million videos on that. So torque boxes are done. Interior's pretty much there, which I'm super pumped about it. It's been a long road. I've literally touched every screw on this interior, and it looks freaking amazing. Every single screw is where it goes. I got a few, obviously I'm leaving this all out because we got to do some rewiring on the car. So I'm not putting those back in. Console's back out. I've got it modified for the 417 Fox radio mod. We're doing that. Stay tuned for that. I think Michael Johnson's gonna come hang out with us. But lots of freaking progress. Could not be happier. It's been a job. Hasn't been much for video content, but once it's done, it's gonna look amazing. All right guys, so there you go. Lots and lots of progress on the black interior. It's been a long time coming. Back when I first got the car and it had gray interior, I wanted to have black interior in the car and wasn't really ever sure it was gonna happen, but guess what? There it is. So very happy about it. And like I said earlier, it was nice to just not worry about filming and just work on the car, grind it out, get the stuff done. I love to film. I love to, you know, show you guys the process, but sometimes it's just nice to sit there and turn wrenches and get stuff done and not worry about filming, because to be honest, when I'm filming, my first priority is to make sure you got good lighting, good shots, you know, good variety of camera placement, all that stuff, and I'm not focused on the job. So that was nice to just film it. Plus you guys didn't want to see that anyway, so there you go. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, please drop me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. Catch you on the next one.